Discover your student haven at the Knoll Dinkytown, where vibrant luxury meets the ultimate university lifestyle in Minneapolis. Choose from spacious en-suites, studios, and elegant 1 and 4 bedroom apartments featuring expansive kitchen islands, plush bedroom carpeting, and in-unit laundry for utmost convenience. Hustle hard in the dedicated lounge with lightning-fast Wi-Fi, then hit the power-packed gym and yoga studio to recharge, or unwind with roommates in the community lounge. Wrap up your day in the game room and resident clubhouse with friends, or take in exquisite sunset views from the rooftop deck or private courtyard. You can bring your wheels along, as parking's available on-site too. All utilities are included in your rent, so there will never be any extra bills. And guess what? University of Minnesota and Augsburg University are a quick drive away, so getting to class is easy. Travel seamlessly with the buses at 4th Street Southeast and the light rail on the West Bank. So book your spot at the Knoll Dinkytown in Minneapolis via amberstudent.com today for an unmatched university experience.